Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome. My name, of course, is Open Potato. Welcome to Captain of Industry. That's right. Where did we get to last time? What are we currently up to? It's a great question. Let's have a little look, shall we? We are currently trying to build a bridge across to the sandy banks of this beach. Right over here. And of course, that is fairly important for concrete processing, concrete mixing, which of course we are about to get underway with as soon as we have bridged this gap. I'm very, very excited for it. In fact, that rain is coming at a pretty good time because it's going to allow us to increase our water tank. Yeah, we're gonna be in a pretty good place. Anyway, we're gonna get conveyors all up and running very, very soon. I hope. We're also probably gonna hopefully try and fix a couple of our production processes, which have maybe gone a little bit astray, and probably most interestingly and most notably, we're going to conduct the repairs to the ship, which is going to allow us to do a whole bunch of exploration on the world stage, which is just going to add a whole bunch of extra elements to the game. It's gonna be good. I'm really looking forward to seeing what we're able to get up to here. Right? Are we still building across here? We're still building across here. It's gonna clearly need a couple of extra loads, but not many actually. Not many. We are surprisingly close there. How are we doing in terms of water supply? We're not doing bad in terms of water supply. Wastewater as well. We're still fine for wastewater. Whilst we have the opportunity to do so, it might be worth us seeing if we can perhaps expand the housing capacity a little bit. That would be pretty good. Also, maybe getting to work on some actual research. We'll do loose material storage. We'll do some of the other bits and bobs that have fallen a little bit behind. That's fine. What do we need? Coal. Seems like coal is in somewhat of a short supply at the moment, so let's boost up the number of coal trucks that we have that are doing coal deliveries. And let's check on our oil refining process. The distiller is working hard. Very, very happy with that. In fact, we've got plenty of crude oil in the tank. And in fact, I think we're probably ready to think about getting a second distiller if we need to. But at the moment, believe it or not, we don't actually seem to be lacking that much oil. So that's pretty good. Other things that we should probably consider, in addition, of course, to doing more research, because that is what we are going to continue to do. We'll get irrigated farms. It's not going to make a huge difference, but we might as well get it. What else did I say that we were going to do? It wasn't going to be anything to do with maintenance. We're actually okay for maintenance at the moment. Yeah, we're going to make some more trucks. And that is going to give us... Oh yeah, I see. So we've actually got too much maintenance saved up in the bar here. Yeah, and there we go. That makes perfect sense. So it can only run after it's dropped down below 390 because it gives us 110 maintenance points. Totally fine with that. Very okay with that. Anyway, we need to get copper. We need to get copper processing up and running, which is not actually as difficult as it seems. But we do need to probably get that turned on. Let's not turn that on quite yet because it looks like we ain't got the workers, which is absolutely fine. But that's okay. Okay, let's get dumping designation. That's still fine. Mining designation. Let's get this removed. And let's force... There we go. Let's force the excavators to travel across here, which they absolutely now can do. You know what? This is maybe dangerous. Let's scrap that mining designation and instead let's get just mine there. Yeah, just mine straight down. Just mine straight down. I'm not concerned about that even slightly. I'm quite happy to deal with that. And we should also get this designated as a dumping ground, because let's be real, I don't mind just filling this entire area in. Yeah, maybe not these 2 bits or those 2 bits. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now we're getting sand. That's brilliant. Let's assign sand to be stored here. Ooh. Can we not store sand? We can't store sand in there. It doesn't particularly matter. We can at least get the concrete mixer going. Yeah, very, very fine with that. So, of course, we need concrete slabs in addition to construction parts in order to make construction parts 2, which is quite interesting and useful, and that's great. Loose material storage. That's what we need for... That's what we need for sand. Loose material storage is what we're after. Also, I think that we're going to turn the beacon back on, because we are in need of more workers. We've only got 1 worker available at present, and we can't even turn on this manual assembly facility yet because we just simply do not have enough workers. So that's fine. We're also just going to try and sort of plan out as much stuff as we can. So construction parts are going to be stored here. We're going to store concrete slabs right over here. We're going to store construction parts as an output over here. And then we're going to have a row of electric assembly machines to hopefully do a whole bunch of the constructing. It might take us a little while to get everything in order, but I think we'll be fine. We've got plenty of construction parts. They've been produced for... pretty consistently for a long time now, so I'm not too displeased at how that is looking. We do need to think about the number of copper plates that we've got. We are going to get some from the refugees that come here, but other than that, not much. Not much copper. So we need to get copper processing set up pronto, very, very pronto. Concrete slabs. Are we moving concrete slabs over here? Not yet. There is rather a long queue. This does not need 2 trucks, and to be honest, we should probably, yeah, queue up a couple of extra trucks for construction. I know it's going to wear down the copper supplies, but we're just going to have to tolerate that. Okay. Copper. Copper is over here. And that's fine, because I believe we do have a copper recipe. It's coal plus copper, 20 seconds, and then we can also cast copper. It's basically the same. In fact, it's exactly the same. It's exactly the same setup as... Something is in the way. Okay, we need to be clever about this. Should we do it? Should we do it in this little opening over here? I think that's fine. Let's get 1, 2 metal caster. Let's get a metal caster over there. Metal caster over there. Metal caster over there. Metal caster over there. Fine. And we will stick down smokestack. Transportation. What am I looking for? Molten channel. That's it. Brilliant. Now, I don't know if I've done this evenly, but I don't really care. There we go. Okay, that's perfect. That's actually perfect. We may not have enough. We may not have enough construction pieces, but we will soon if we don't now. Doesn't have enough workers and also doesn't have a recipe selected. That's fine. Select recipe there. That's good. This is all going to be automated as soon as we get conveyors, so we don't need to worry about it. We don't need to worry about anything. It's gonna be fine. Look at how many freaking... Oh my goodness gracious me. We have got so many things in the transportation queue. That's ridiculous. Right, quick build that. Let's just quick build this. We've got a whole bunch of Unity that's spare. We might as well get these all added to the list. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that is happening, and none of it is happening fast enough. We're also bang out of electricity. The reason that we're out of electricity, well, I think there's a couple of reasons to be fair. Oh, low power. Oh, that's a shame. The reason is that we don't have diesel. We don't have diesel being delivered. It's taking a long time for diesel to be delivered, so hopefully that will be fixed relatively soon. I could maybe quick build a couple of these things, just to sort of maybe help out with the sort of queue here. 647 seconds. That's such a large flipping queue. Right, that's fine. The trucks are on it. Let's also zone or get planning for another excavator, which I know is going to be important because we're going to need it to do. Although we could just get one of these small excavators that are currently doing a whole bunch of work on sand extraction. That might be something that we're interested in. Also, we need to get another thingamabobber. Power production, diesel. Yes. Just this is what we need. This is such a stupid place for it, but we're gonna do it. Sure. I think we might be out of copper. I think we might be out of copper until we get more refugees, because refugees tend to bring stuff like these rubber gasket things, copper, which is always quite nice. Right, so then let's get a... Ooh. That's a little nasty. Alright, what do we got? 48 copper, 31 rubber, 16 iron, a whole bunch of diesel, and of course workers as well, which is grand. We should be able to start... Yeah, we should be able to start the process. Oh, iron ore. Whoops, my bad. My bad. Whoops. Didn't mean to. But we do actually... have enough to go again. Let's go one more time. Yeah, and then turn it off. So that's gonna give us what? One... Ugh, such a stupid... Okay, we may have to redo this. Remove products. Turn off iron ore, yep. Remove products. Okay, I think we're gonna be able to get away with it. To be honest, that's great. Alright, we still don't have enough workers. What's the next ETA on arrivals? 8 months. See, that's quite a long time. That's quite a long time, to be honest. That's quite a long time. The good news is that we are slowly but surely acquiring a couple of second-level construction parts, which, of course, you will know, ladies and gents, that means we're very shortly going to be able to automate everything. We're going to need a few more parts, but we're getting there. We're getting there. We are getting there. Alright, let's go down there. Dumping designation. Whatever, we can... Actually, maybe we should start thinking about... getting access to up here. Sure. I think we're gonna make a ramp. Yeah, heck yeah, look at that. That's very cool. I like that a lot. Okay, that's brilliant. Not enough maintenance? What? Nothing should not have enough maintenance. Also, is there perhaps like an access issue here? Are we not able to... No, we should definitely be able to get around here. There's just quite a long queue for stuff. Cancel that. Build more trucks. Build more trucks. Get the trucks built. I have no idea how we have created such a monster, but we have. Let's get rid of one of those excavators because we don't need them both. We could get rid of some of the trucks here, but to be honest, the fact that we've got such a long queue is perhaps indicative of the fact that everything is running quite smoothly, which could maybe be interpreted as a good thing. Not going to assign another truck quite yet, but we're getting there. 4 months left. That's cool. That's cool. We could do the repair. Or if we can do the repair, we're kind of getting close to being able to do the repair. Concrete slabs. This is taking a very, very long time to move concrete slabs across. Looks like they need to be moved over by the truck here. I don't know why we can't just move the concrete slabs to the unit storage here. That's apparently impossible. Okay. What do we got here? Iron. Iron's coming out. Okay, let's actually start automating this with conveyor belts, eh? There we go. Brilliant. There we go. Maybe should have done something slightly different there, but it's not meant to be. It's not meant to be super pretty. It's just meant to work. Okay, hopefully this will work. What's the issue here? We got too much slag. Now, what do we need to get rid of slag? I think it's the U-shape, conveyor. Now, we can go over. You want to stick it out this way? Sure. Does it need to go somewhere? I guess it kind of needs to go somewhere. All right, let's put it in loose storage then. Out there, and then let's just pump some stuff in. Also, new arrivals. Very, very exciting. Let's maybe not connect up just to the entrance. Connect up somewhere over here. Cool. And then one more. Pathfinding algorithm. There we go. Brilliant. It's worked. It's actually worked. Fantastic. Let's get that all built. Then let's get some additional loose storage over here and over here. One of which is going to store coal. The other of which is going to store iron. Coal. Iron ore, that is, of course. This is where the automation comes in. Okay, and good. I just love how easy it is to connect this up. It's just, it works so well. You don't have to think about it. It does make it a little bit spaghetti looking, but look at that. It's just been done in like 2 seconds. It's so perfect. Slag is now just It's just working. It's just working. We're just managing to output our slag super, super easily, with the exception of here. And now we no longer have to worry about actually moving slag via truck, or iron plates via truck. It's just sorted. It's just absolutely sorted. Okay, let's move on. Let's get some more conveyors sorted over here. Let's go to the left. Go to the left, and go to the left. So what was the other component that we needed? Oh yeah, the other component that we needed was wood. And let's get that in there. Ooh, that's a bit nasty. Sure. Sure. I mean, I'm fine with it looking like that. It does make it look a little convoluted, but I don't care. I'll take it. I'll take it. So let's get that built. Then let's get some flat conveyors to output over to here. This is looking so hodgepodge, but it's kind of great. It's kind of great. I kind of love it. I kind of love it. I think it's got a real good feel to it. We need a whole bunch of these extra tier 2 parts, but I have no doubt that we'll get there. We'll get there. We'll get there. Okay, we got coal ore. We got iron ore. Iron ore just needs to be delivered to one central place. Coal ore just needs to be delivered to one central place. That's what's so good about it. We don't need to Don't need to worry about anything else. Okay, let's continue with our research. What do we got? Fuel station. Fuel station seems pretty good. We also need to build the captain's office. I definitely haven't built that yet, have I? I have not. I will zone it. I will zone it, but I will not be able to build it for a wee while. Okay, we got copper. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. No, we're not mining copper yet. That is because we don't have an excavator. There's definitely one excavator there. Definitely an excavator assigned over there. I mean, what's the problem? What's the real issue here? So this is the one that's obviously still working. No job, waiting for trucks stopped. Okay, give it some more trucks then. It's maybe a bit daft, but I don't really want to scrap this if we can avoid it. But, I mean, this is getting kind of serious. I pretty desperately need these trucks to work. Okay, add that. Okay. Unassigned, brilliant. And then we go over here. Assign that. We'll get 2 trucks for now, and then unassign these 2 trucks. Brilliant. Some new friends joining us. This is great news. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I also need to build a pipe connection over to this liquid dump here. That's probably pretty important, but not super urgent right now. All looking good. Construction parts can't be output yet. Quick build that, and quick build that too. There we go. That just simplifies absolutely everything. We will be able to restart production over here. Let's get stored product of woods. So we should have 1 truck doing wood production. Are you going to... Don't know where you're going. Where's the excavator? Where is the excavator? It's not here. I hope you're going to the correct place. Aha! It's happening. Brilliant. Okay, that's great news. So we're going to do a little bit of dirt digging for the start here, but that's fine. Are we okay for... Are we okay for maintenance? We're not really okay for maintenance. I tell you what, we need to get copper. Are we making impure copper, or are we making... Yeah, we're making impure copper. So I need to add this to the potential list of things to do. New refugees, new food station, and new fuel station even. Yeah, we've reported on the refugees before. Yeah, fine. Fine. We are ready to start refining the copper. We're ready to start dumping the dirt here as well. That's great. That looks like a load of copper to me. That's brilliant. That is brilliant. Okay. How are we doing for regular construction component manufacturing? Iron, wood. Is this our wood? Yeah, this is our wood tree. To be honest, I thought wood would be our bottleneck. I don't think it is at the moment. Where are you going? Oh, I see, yeah. So let's get that built. Get that built. Get that built. Now we should just be able to deliver to here. We shouldn't need anything extra. Okay, all right. You know what? I'm actually going to assign another tree to wood cutting. There we go. Assign you to wood harvesting, and you can take out some trees. Should I prioritize wood harvesting in a certain area? I did say that I wanted to take these trees down so that we could build this ramp. That still seems like a pretty good idea to me. Let's do that. Let's keep on filling with wood. We've got coal. We've got a little bit of iron ore. It's not fully filtered through yet, but if I do that and that, then we should be good. I think we will be good. Got one more. Sure, we'll do it here. But one more belt to build, and that is the slag removal belt from the first blast furnace. I'm happy with this. I think this is going to keep us going for a decent period of time. It just means that we never really have to worry about things as long as we're able to supply iron ore consistently. Are we able to supply iron ore consistently? That's the real question. Probably need to get more excavators onto these mines, but you know, for now we're okay. We're okay on pretty much every front, which is great. Let's look at research. Let's see what we can get. Research Lab 2. So this is brand new as of the alpha update, as are ship weapons. Funnily enough, or should I say the ability to actually use ship weapons is brand new. Hey, look at this. That's good. This is good. Right, we're going to turn off this recipe after we get done with this, because using impure copper is so much easier, and copper is the only thing that can be used in construction of trucks. So yeah, the real question is, are we going to be able to... small excavator is broken as it lacks maintenance. That's fine. It happens. It's a rare breakdown chance. It's 4%. Also, we do need to get a fuel station somewhere, don't we? Yeah. We need to get a fuel station. But I tell you what we also need to get. We also need to get electric assemblies. Like, in great quantities. Yeah, let's get that down. And then let's get... to start off with, anyway. There we go, and there we go, and then... Ew, oof. This is nasty. That's fine, though. Somewhat struggling to see what the heck is going on. But I've created a monster and I just have to double down. Alright, so once all of this gets built, we should have a fully automated electric assembly production area, which I think is pretty good. We are full in terms of population, which I think is actually okay. However, believe it or not, we still need... way more housing accommodation. So that's what we're going to do. Farm. We can upgrade this to an irrigated farm, but it's going to cost an absolute ton of parts. And it's just going to take... yeah. But in order to actually get more farms, we need more workers. So we are in a bit of a catch-22 sort of area type place. There we go. All right. So if we could get all of this built, please, that would be real swell. But I'm pretty happy with this. And this is where we're going to store the outputs. Let's get conveyors. There we go. And there we go. All right. That's it. We have no workers over here. That's kind of to be expected. Research Lab 2 is done. Brilliant. Let's go get transporter balancing. Don't think that it's really a super large requirement to have a properly balanced production process, but it might become more useful in the future. I just don't see it as a really super high priority right now. But I guess we'll see. Okay, copper mining is going great. Pretty happy with that. Water. Do we have enough water at the moment? I am acutely aware of the fact that our population is growing quite rapidly, and therefore I haven't really adjusted the amount of food supply that I've got. I also haven't really adjusted my water supply either. We do have the water supply over here as kind of like a backup. But I should probably just build a little bit more. We are out of iron. How on earth are we out of iron? Ah, yes. The slag has kind of... yeah, it's not good. Yeah, we can't dig down. That's the problem. There we go. Does that work? I think that means... The slag may just... They may just get rid of it. They may just get rid of it naturally because it is slag, but I suspect it's only because of my empty request. That's fine, though. Okay, we're still waiting for more iron to be delivered. That's fine. There we go. Now we're talking. Let's get that slag out of there. I have no idea if we can do anything else with slag. It doesn't really look like it. It's a pretty useless resource, unless, of course, you want to dump it in the ocean. In which case, magically, it is quite useful. Alright. Probably need to get a petrol station. I'm sorry, a fuel station, gas station at some point, but that's something for a little bit later on. How are we doing? How are we doing? What do we need? Construction parts? And we need more iron. We do have an appropriate amount of wood. We're starting to get the iron back again. It's taking a little while. There we go. Yeah, that whole slag situation really put the brakes on everything for a moment there. Yeah, that's not super ideal. Okay, let's stick it into, what is this, 3 times speed, max speed that we possibly can, because I don't really think that we're waiting for anything at the moment. We still have the beacon turned on, which is great. 4 months' time, we should have some more workers. Grand, love to see it. Research lab is broken as it lacks maintenance. Are we struggling here? We were struggling for a bit because we required iron, and we don't really have all of the iron that we need, believe it or not. We need a lot more iron than we currently have. However, once we get back on top of that, I'm sure we'll be fine. Let's keep up with the research. Settlement power. Ooh, that's interesting. Vehicle management, plus 20 vehicle cap. Oh yeah, we've got a cap of 40 at the moment. Groundwater pump, that's going to give us water out of the ground rather than out of the sky. It's quite handy. I have no idea if my maintenance regime is enough. Wow. These labs, they are breaking. New refugees, excellent. That's brilliant. Let's continue to get this stuff all made, please. Low power. Ooh, that's a little... That's a bit of a shame. There we go. Okay. When the power is fixed, are we back on top of this issue? Low power, low power, low power. I think we need to kind of overhaul our power setup here. Now, if I go into the research, I think we need to get power generation. Requires research lab 2 or better. Boiler, high pressure, turbine, power generator. I have used that before. I don't love it though. I really don't love it. Let's get a diesel generator. An additional diesel generator, that is. Should probably build it right next to the diesel supply. But that would just be far too logical, wouldn't it? The good news is, at least in terms of iron, we're fine. We do happen to need quite a lot of additional iron, though. So I think another excavator would probably be handy. And probably some more trucks. Let's get some more trucks assigned here. There we go. Okay. It's good. It's good. Even though... full output. Yeah, let's get this repaired. Get this quick built. Oh, we can't get this quick built. We can't get it quick built because we don't have the Unity at the moment, because we're currently doing research. After this bit of research, let's take a little break from researching, so that we can maybe, you know, do some other stuff with our construction points. Seems like a good idea. Maintenance. How are we doing for maintenance? This is not a good indicator. Maintenance in, maintenance out. I feel like we need more maintenance depots, right? It's just going down too fast. Buildings, maintenance depot. Yeah. Sure. Let's do that right there. And ship weapons has been completed. Let's actually use this opportunity, as I said, to try and get ahead of the Unity situation. Be really, really good to do that. We can also start to repair the shipyard, because we have more than 50 construction components available, which is great. Why on earth we're not building this, I have no idea. Oh, it's because we're out of rubber. That's why. What are we using rubber for? Are we using rubber for something? We're using it to build trucks, I know. Oh, also, we've got this. Food consumption increased by 30%, gives us more Unity. Sure, why the heck not, eh? Why the heck not? Extra Unity. Well, it was a way to say for basically nothing, but that's not quite the case. Right, how's the ship? How's the ship looking? Ooh, that's cool. Let's get you repaired. 125 bits of iron, and we've got exactly no bits of iron at the moment. That's a little bit less than cool. We can add some guns here. Guns. Add anything else? Fuel tank? No. Ship bridge? No. Okay. Alright. I don't think that we can do it until the ship has actually been repaired. But that's fine. Ship dock ready. Brilliant. Alright. We'll worry about that in a little bit. Okay, when are the new refugees arriving? Not soon enough, if you ask me. We need a whole bunch more of these rubber things. I don't know where the heck they've gone. I have absolutely no idea where they've gone. Also copper. We need way more copper. Where the heck is the copper going? It's not being used. It's not being used here. Alright, new refugees. Brilliant. How much copper did they bring? 10 copper? That's not a heck of a lot of copper, to be honest, is it? No. No, it sure isn't. Did I use up all of the rubber in that? Ship armor, groundwater, copper refinement. What do we need? Advanced diesel. And we need ocean drilling technology. Ocean drilling technology, I am almost certain, requires a little bit of exploration. Which means, I think we need to go on a little explore. Also, are we out of coal? How the bleeding heck are we out of coal? Right, quick build that. Iron and impure copper. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm really trying to, you know, accelerate the rate at which we are doing our maintenance, because as it turns out, everything is bad. Everything is bad. Let's also turn off the plenty of food edict, because the plenty of food thingy, the captain's office, because we're going to be out of food real quick if we don't turn it off. Right, iron is coming through. Brilliant. The problem is, I'm not sure that we're going to quite hit our critical mass of iron. Do we have enough copper? We got a lot of copper, actually. Wow, everything is broken down. 40% chance of breakdown. That's less than ideal. That is less than ideal. At least we're currently on the go. Might be nice to quick repair this, given that it is a highly important bit of infrastructure. But we need more unity before doing that. Yeah. Everything is starting to break down. Everything is starting to break down, but it's okay. It's okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. Coal, 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 coal. Please, more coal. More coal. Should we set this to keep full? Should we set this to keep full? So that we can prioritize actually delivering coal to it? I don't know if the video game is gonna... Oh. Mining do job stopped. Oh, because one of the trucks broke down. Yeah. It might be time to move this across. Yeah, move you across. Get rid of you. Move you to here. Add more trucks. It's kind of that simple, I think. Yeah, we just need to do... We need to do more coal excavation in the short term to try and get back on top of our maintenance issues. Everything is just breaking down so unbelievably quickly. You hate to see it. You really, really, really hate to see it. Oh, it's so nasty. It's so nasty. Come on. 8. 8 to repair. Low food supply? I know. I know there's a low food supply. How's my Unity doing? Not good. Not good. Not good. Okay, the beacon is still on. 3 months. Did you unload the coal? Okay. This is looking sketchy. This is looking sketchy. Please, I need iron. I need iron. Just a little bit of a little bit of iron. There we go. Brilliant. Okay, the coal is coming through. The coal is coming through. If only. If only this started working, we would be good. No job? Beg to differ? What the heck is happening here? There we go. Hey, some new refugees. Okay, brilliant. Let's turn this off. We've got a little bit of extra copper. Let's turn that back on. Actually, there's no point. It doesn't matter. Copper's not our problem. Iron is our problem. Iron is our real problem right now. And the only way that we can solve the iron is by getting more coal. So it kind of sucks. Do I have enough unity to repair one of these things? Not particularly. 8.9, 9.9. 69% chance of breaking down. Wow. That's something. That is really something. The good news is that we're actually kind of close in terms of unity to being able to repair some of this stuff. We got a lot of increase in unity at the moment. Yeah, that lab is paused. That lab is paused. Is that going to increase my amount of unity, or does it still count if I've got the paused? I didn't realize the lab could be paused more than once. But that's cool. Right, let's get you repaired. Okay. We're on the go. This may look like a little bit of a death spiral. I promise you it's not. No death spiral here. You need to be repaired as well. Okay, I'm trying to get this one to work. No job. I mean, if I give you a additional sort of like mining designation, like out here, will that work? It's probably because all of these trucks are so low. In terms of unity as well. Not super in love with this situation right now. I mean, if these trucks, if they're not going to mine, they're absolutely useless to me. Absolutely 100% totally useless to me. Look, we might as well get them to do something else. 70% chance of breakdown. Wow. Wow, that is bad. Okay, keep working, keep working, keep working. Go, 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 go. And it's broken down again. Literally this is the only excavator that has decided to work for some reason. Don't understand why. Not a very cool situation to be in. You're fine. You're waiting. Okay, I guess we just have to get enough unity to be able to repair this second truck here too. Or this second excavator, I should say. Breakdown chance is 7%. We're close. We're really close. We're really close. 15th of February. Once we get to the end of February, we're fine. We're fine. Be nice if you could part repair. That would be kind of cool. There we go. Get that fully repaired. Brilliant. Next truck, please. Okay, you're repaired. You're not repaired yet, but you're basically full. I think it just needs to sort of just shake itself around a little bit. I don't know what the heck is happening here, but this is obviously not good. We are in a little bit of a rut. We seem to have gotten into a little bit of a pickle. I mean, can we disassemble anything? Is there anything that we can disassemble that would be good? Good to do? Yeah. You wanna work? You wanna go? Right, unassign all of these vehicles. No jobs. Any better? Literally everyone. Everyone come here. Everyone come here and do the coal. 4.8 unity. We'll get that repaired. Sure, I can even afford to repair that truck. Hallelujah. Are we good? We're a little better. Shockingly. No? Anything? Come on, video game. Come on, give me what I need. Believe it or not, we still do technically have diesel. That's shocking to me. Okay, let's add extra as mining designation. There we go. Let's go and start mining out here. There we go. Excellent. There we go. Now we're talking. Okay, I have no idea what I've done to get this to start working, but apparently it is. I'm going to go and drop coal off here. That's fine. Maybe it's just because it's a little bit of a thin runway here. Okay, good stuff. Okay, are we gonna drop coal off? Are we gonna drop coal off in here? I really hope we do. I really hope we do, because otherwise we are in trouble. We're about to start seeing our population just completely atrophy away. I do not think that there is anything that I can do about that. Our Unity, however, is in a great place at the moment. Repair that. People are starving. Oh, yes, that's true. That is happening. This is going bad. This is bad. This is very, very bad. This is very, very bad. Are we on top of things? We're actually doing it. Okay. Give me a bulldozer right here. Stop making that. Just do the... Yeah, make that a priority, please. I'm still... 19 people died of starvation. That's okay. We got 70 workers at the moment, so, you know, it's not great that we're losing workers, obviously, but, like, we can, you know, we can manage. We can manage to survive a little bit. Let's take down our labs. There we go. Take down our labs. This is good. This is good. 23 people died of starvation. Probably not gonna get on top of the maintenance issue before then, but you never know. We might. Okay, good. Good. Need to make sure that there are some trucks that are capable of doing deliveries to here. How much have we got? 103 iron. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. It's fine. Let's unassign mine control tower. And let's get you repaired. The queue is quite long. The queue for everything is quite long at the moment. I understand that. Let's get you repaired as well if we can. We are going to start to see a whole bunch of people die. It's not good. It's not good at all. This is why we wanted to get irrigated farms up and running. There we go. Unassign, unassign, unassign. Aha, aha, it's working. Did we get the delivery? No, we haven't. You broke down at literally the last hurdle. Okay, where can we cut back on workers? We are losing a couple. Yeah, we're losing a lot everywhere. There we go. 37 workers needed. Oh, we're cutting back. We're cutting back. We're cutting back. Is it enough, though? I'm not sure that it really is. Low power? That's a bit of a kicker. That is a bit of a kicker, but we've got power. We should be good. Beacon is paused. What else can we do? Not very much. Not very much at all. The concrete mixer, I think, requires power. That can be paused. Yep, that's fine. Alright, so there might be a little window. Might be a little window of time where we're able to just get everything fixed. Low power. Come on, 57% chance of breaking. Unity's actually increasing. We do have a food supply again. That's great news. 4 workers needed, 3 workers needed. We can pause these as well. That'll give us more than enough workers. Let's get you unassigned. Yep. Don't need workers for that. It's fine. Oh boy. Okay, whatever the case, it's gonna be costly. It is gonna be costly. Alright. Don't quite have the Unity to get another diesel generator up and running, but... Or to get a diesel generator repaired. That would be good if we could, but alas, we cannot. Low power, low power. I think, to be honest, I think a diesel generator is exactly what we need to do. Like, having more than one diesel generator running at once kind of seems like a requirement, to be honest. Right now. We don't have enough workers to run the pickup truck. Really? There we go. Let's free some of these. Free some of these coal trucks. In the hope that we can prioritize getting the maintenance done. Maintenance, we're going. We are go, 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 go. There we go. Plus 41 last month. That's great. That's great. That's great. As long as we're able to get our diesel generator into a good state, then we're just fine. Low power, but we're still working through it. 9.6, or do we want to just repair this? You're fine. Yeah, good. Tell you what, get that repaired. Nice. Now we don't have enough workers to make this work. Of course we don't. But we are working. We're working on both fronts. Oh boy. Okay. I can't believe it, but dare I suggest we may have fixed this problem. Boost and boost. Yeah, let's get that boosted. Let's get that boosted right now. Do we still have enough copper? We are running low on copper. We're gonna have to restart. We're gonna have to restart this in just a second. So it sucks to say, but I'm gonna have to invite more. I'm gonna have to invite more workers. The reason it kind of sucks is because we are putting ourselves at quite a lot of risk. Missing input. Yeah, so we need impure copper, and that's going to be challenging. The good news is, though, it looks like repair-wise, things are looking a lot better. Okay, let's do that over there. We have no excavator assigned to the copper area. Can I unassign one of these? Tell you what, unassign one of the iron ones. Reassign that over there. Reassign that over there. That's 2. And we have a need for 50 workers at the moment. Not quite sure that there is any way that we can fix that deficit. Not enough workers. 13. Oh, goodness gracious me. Oh, it's nasty. It's nasty. It's nasty. It's nasty. How many workers do we have here? 6 workers. Do we have the appropriate amount of diesel? We do actually have the appropriate amount of diesel. Say that much. That's pretty good. When are workers arriving? 12 months? Oh, we did get actually a little delivery. That's cool. That's brilliant. Let's put regular copper in here. Get that repaired as well whilst we're at it. Sure. Where the heck are all of my workers being used? That's what I want to know. Where the heck are all of my workers being used? Population growth? Yeah, I don't really want to look at the population growth. Population took a bit of a nosedive there. Yeah, not super great. Total workers needed. We're actually not like, we did kind of go a little bit silly here, but we're actually surprisingly in a not terrible state. I mean, this stuff can be paused. I mean, I don't know why. Clone tool, pause tool. Yeah, this stuff can be paused. There's no real reason that we need to have workers over there. That's absolutely totally fine. That can be paused. What else? We need to get this unpaused, and so we need workers for that. But that's fine. Let's pause this, and this. That gives us 2 workers available. In fact, a slight surplus as it happens. That's pretty decent. We're still extracting coal, although we're extracting coal at a slightly slower rate. There we go. What do we got in here? Dirt. I don't care about dirt. Yeah, I don't know what's happening here. I don't know what's happening. This is a bit of a mess. Status: no jobs. Unassigned mine control tower. Unassigned mine control tower. Unassigned. Sure. Go just like head off and do something else. Either way, we should be getting what we need. We should be getting copper. Copper should be able to be poured into these machines, and we should be able to continue with our rate of repair. We do still need coal, though. Let's cancel that. I'm not risking having my maintenance just completely fall out from under me. How are we doing in terms of maintenance? Maintenance output is brilliant. Yep, it's skyrocketed very, very dramatically, in fact. Don't think that we're necessarily out of the woods, because there's still some shenanigans going on here. I'm actually going to get you maybe repaired. This is just such a scuffed situation here. Really don't know what's going on. Let's get some more trucks assigned. Still 2 workers are needed. Where? Where? I will pause workers anywhere they're needed. Vehicle depot. They're absolutely not needed there. Refugees are due in 2 months. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And now we only need a little bit more impure copper, which I think is just fine. Here we go. 2 trucks assigned there. The good news is that trucks are really, really, really easy to repair. Like, they are super, super easy to repair. So that should get rectified very, very swiftly. And we're going to get more coal. More coal is going to be turned into more iron, which I hope is in the correct quantity that we need. All right, brilliant. New refugees as well, which gives us a few additional workers, which just helps make everything a little bit smoother. Heck yeah. Brilliant. Okay, I think we're fighting fires on multiple fronts here, but we're pulling it off. We're pulling it off, and that's what's important. Let's get this repaired to make sure that we don't end up going to OTT. These trucks are just stuck here. Can I get you to scrap? Going to vehicle depot to get scrapped? Nope. Okay, you're not gonna do anything. You're not gonna do anything. That's fine. It's annoying because it's just using up our maintenance points for absolutely nothing. But it's fine. It's absolutely a-okay. Diesel-wise, surprisingly, throughout this, we've never really had an issue with diesel, which I am very, very thankful for, very, very grateful for. That's good. That's really, really good. Okay, the only thing that we really need to consider now is the fact that we need more coal, and we ain't getting it. We ain't getting it. We ain't getting it. We ain't getting it, but we should be getting it somewhat sooner than perhaps I think. Here we go. Get that assigned to the coal. Nope. Doesn't work. Okay. It's just this whole coal mine is just in a state of terribleness. It's not good. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. Please continue to rain, video game. We need a lot of it. Need a lot of it. Oh boy. Okay, what a really unbelievably dodgy situation to be in. I don't know if we've necessarily cured our maintenance problems, but they are better than they were. We're still breaking down a little bit, but you know, we can't get complacent. But we are in a better place. We are definitely in a better place. The only thing that would potentially go wrong is the fact that we're just not getting enough coal, and that is in part because one of these excavators just refuses, absolutely point blank refuses to just work. So we're going to have to work through that, but we're going to be working through that in the next episode. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you ever so much for watching this episode of Captain of Industry. I don't know what's going on in the coal mine, but as I say, we're going to resolve it. We're definitely going to resolve it in the next episode. Thank you as ever for the fantastic support over on the Patreon page, patreon.com/potato. Thanks to Banana and Aurelio from the two $25 plus tier patrons. Thank you very much for watching, folks. I'll see you next time. Bye.